Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect TradingView to Bitget. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Google, and so you want to go search for TradingView. And then click on the first website that pops up. And just log into your TradingView account here if you haven't already logged in. Now from the top we will click on Brokers and then select All Brokers. And here you can choose any broker. Doesn't matter which one you click on, but you want to click on Learn More. We just want to get to the Trade section. So here I'm just going to click on Trade. And you will close the pop-up that appears. So here what you want to do is scroll down. If you don't see the trading panel, you can click on Trading Panel at the bottom and scroll down until you see a section for All Brokers. Click on All Brokers, and you will be able to find Bitget from this one. So click on Bitget here. You will type out your API key, which you get from Bitget, and your passphrase, and then just click on Connect. And that's going to link your Bitget account to TradingView. So that's basically how you can connect TradingView to Bitget. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.